Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this cute and easy scrunchie. For this tutorial we need 4.5 mm crochet hook, scissors, elastic and yarn. I am using baby velvet yarn for my scrunchie. So let's start with a slip knot. Then make chain of 10. After that, join with the first stitch with slip stitch. Again chain 1. Make double crochet in the same stitch. After that, make double crochet all over the round. End of the round, join with the first stitch with slip stitch. Again chain 1, 1 double crochet in the same stitch and double crochet all over the round. Join with the first stitch with slip stitch, chain 1 and continue with double crochet. Continue the scrunchie by following the same steps. I made total 17 row with double crochet stitch. Join with the first stitch with slip stitch. And cut the yarn. The length is almost about 11 inches. will insert the elastic in the scrunchies and we'll tie a knot. Now I will join two open ends of the scrunchie and it will be a round loop. So here is our final look of these beautiful scrunchies. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.